Soft meat tenderizer. I love this stuff. I'm back to present the last half of the 2020 bench list to you all. Today I would like to show you all how to make more Valentine's Day decor. I've been coming up with more ideas, and I want to start with the doily. I talked about the doily before. The doily has become my best friend. Okay, and see, I don't want to run around looking for different heart shapes. These are perfect, ladies and gentlemen, because it's thin and you can just, you know, explore with it. Create whatever you like from it. So, speaking of which, I created from this doily, I basically cut the heart out right there. And I took one of the heart-shaped felt stickers. I've been talking about these in my videos. And I put it in, so here's the stickers, in the middle. Alright? So there's that. This is so cute to me. So I had like two, you know, like in the, basically it's like the doorway of my kitchen upon entering, and the wall section, so they're like taped here and like, you know, on both sides. You know, I really love how that came out. So I made two more, and I'm gonna put it in my front window. Now I want to move on to, we're gonna make Valentine's Day poppers. So for this you need, yeah, I've been practicing. You need an empty toilet tissue roll, tissue. Okay, I'm gonna show you all how I'm gonna make this. You're supposed to use like Valentine's Day decorative tissue. You know, like gift wrap tissue. I couldn't find it, so obviously it is gone. So I'm gonna use this napkin. Watch me work. I hope you all can see this. So I already pre-cut I'm gonna get this red on first. Roll it. So I'm just rolling this. I have this pre-cut. Rolling this on. And then you want to grab some tape. Roll it as, you know, tight as you can. Let's see, that looks like a little loose. Not too tight. Be careful though. Alright, get you some tape. Then just put it along. My tape is about that long. Almost like 1.5 inches long. Put it on there. Then you're gonna take, if you know, end up in the position that I'm in, where you are using this route, just take it, leave it just like this. I've already opened it and tried to, cause see, let me show you. When it comes to this brand that I bought, type napkin, as you can see, it's only filled in this area. So the hearts are not, you know, in there. So just leave it. And so you want to take it, leave that on the outside. Take this and then roll. Now, I saw this idea on Pinterest. And I thought it was so cute. I tend to forget about Pinterest. But I was on there. So I'm like, ooh, let me show the people what we about to do. So, alright, let me show y'all what else we have to do. So you wanna, I've never done this before, so this is my first time making this. So you wanna make a crease here. Make a crease. That's if you want to cut that off. You don't have to. Here, let's see. I might leave that on there. I'm thinking. Nah, I'm cutting it off. I'm going to do that right now. I need to roll to stop rolling. Just rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep on freaking rolling. Okay, so I'm cutting this for a reason. You're gonna find out in a minute. See, I don't like anything tacky. So I hope this comes out right. And you have to hold this carefully when you are doing this. So I cut off that part. It looks like a diamond. So you're gonna do the same thing to this end. See, a lot came off. A bigger triangle came off that end. This would be a little smaller. You're just going straight across. Valentine's Day poppers. I'm just making sure things. I know what I'm about to do real quick. I'm gonna put a little tape right there. I'm about to show you all. So I'm gonna take this little tape and place it over there. That way it's not moving every which way while I'm cutting. I'm just cleaning up my cut. Alright. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and begin to cut. See, I'm holding it like this. All of this is delicate material. So it's like you have to be careful, but make sure you gripping it right at the same time. You don't want things sliding, because when you get done cutting it can be crooked. So you want this piece to look like this. And then you're going to take it. And roll it on there. Now it may have like a little triangle at the top or at the bottom. That's fine, no big deal. That's why you have that red background. Just as long as the brown isn't showing. And if you were a true perfectionist, you would cut a little piece of that in. But I'm not doing all. I could. But I'm not doing all that. I'm making this for my son. And I'm going to give it to him Sunday. kids love this type of stuff. And it doesn't matter. Adults too. It doesn't matter the age level. You just make it according to you know, what you know a person likes. So I'm securing the decorative napkin around. So I got a piece of tape going this way. I'm gonna put one that way. And oh, make sure you got it positioned right, because you can't peel back up off no tissue. It's gonna be mess. It's gonna be messed up. So, okay, now, all right, da-da. So you see this excess? Watch what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go up about 2 inches, and I'm gonna cut off basically what's above my finger. All right, you see that? Just move the excess. And then I'm gonna do the same thing over here. About 2 inches. Try to make sure it's even with the other side. Cool. It's coming together. That's cute. Right? Now, like I said, it doesn't matter what age. My son likes these, right? And Starburst. And, like, we don't eat chocolate. We can't eat chocolate. So I'm going to fill this popper up with. These are the, for those of you that can't see or don't know, the Tootsie Roll Fruities. I like it because it's colorful. It has blueberry, watermelon, green apple, or blue raspberry, and grape. So this is an awesome idea. And you want to take, okay, fold it like that, because now you have to make a support base. You're going to drop them down in there. Like, you know, just a couple at a time. Now you can either fill these up halfway or fill the whole thing up. Or just fill this with whatever it can hold. Because I'm looking right now, I'm like, ooh, that's basically what I have is basically filling it up. I might have to stop. How many did I have? Let me count that out. You have to know when you're doing these type of projects. This type of stuff is good to know. For this size tissue roll, so that was 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And I'm trying to see if I could squeeze 17. So 16 is good enough because you're going to get to the brim. But I saw a little more room. So, you know, yeah, so yeah, 16. I could eat these two. That's good enough, 16. And then if you want to just use 8, okay, half of that amount, and then fill it up with like another type of candy, like Starburst or something. All right, next you want to I'm a perfectionist. I don't like raggedness. We're gonna take some yarn and I get through acting like a perfectionist. That candy's trying to get up out of there. My bad, y'all. Blooper, and no, I'm not editing. But see, I'm learning as I'm going. I need to make these mistakes and be authentic and show you all. So just make sure you clean it up really well and cut off raggediness before you fill it up with the candy, right? And what I saw wasn't even that bad, but I just didn't like what I saw. And you want to take the yarn. I'm trying to find this end of this yarn. Okay, there you go. Or even ribbon. I would suggest ribbon, but like either one, y'all. Shoot, yarn, ribbon, whatever you have, whatever is cute. Let me do 2 of those, cause this is about looking like it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5, 6 inches, something like that. And it you know, it just depends on how long you want the bow to be, because it's gonna tie it on there. Now I have this to help me as well, so when you tie one side, put it down flat. And then you're gonna take it and gather. I hope you all can see me. I tried to move my camera down today, cause I'm like, when I did my other 2 videos, I'm like, they need to kind of possibly see what I'm doing. I seen something. So if you get a little rip, just put a little tape on there, because I don't want this to come apart too early. Sunday ain't even here yet. Maybe I'm trying to see it. Are my strings too long, or I think it's okay. For this video, I'm gonna just do a knot. It's for my son anyway. I'm not gonna do the bow, because I'm trying to hurry up for you all. I'm trying not to make this video too long. So you want to do the same thing to the other side. Now you can make, you know, a bow. I'm gonna hide this, because he don't even know I got him these trees. He like these trees. And then, you know, okay. So, ta-da! Right? And I could cut that shorter, and I will. Bam. Valentine's Day candy popper. And it actually, when you get through, it looks like, this looks like a big piece of candy. Okay, that is too cute. All right. Then another thing I wanted to show you all right quick. So remember my Valentine's Day teddy bear puppet? I was looking at it and I said, because In the previous video, I had this one completely done. And I didn't have the buttons on there yet. So I added the buttons to this one. And I looked at it, I said, oh, I need a little junk in the trunk. So, a little tail, right? So I went on ahead and grabbed, since I was out today. Because I lost my glasses. The glasses that I have been wearing are gone. But it actually worked out because I called them yesterday, my eye doctor, and my optometrist, and basically it was about that time for me to come back anyway to do my exam. All right, so since this one is like reeking with pink, I'm gonna use the pink. You just, okay, you see where this last heart is? You can just feel with your finger and thumb and align that with that last heart. And then, yeah, it's okay. Actually perfect. Just trying to make sure that pink wasn't too bright. Today I have the school glue because I really want, the liquid school glue. You all, I found this at Dollar General for 50 cents. Sitting right next to the Elmer's. I was like, yeah, okay. I'm gonna grab this 50 cents. Glue, stop playing. Okay, let's see. Let's see what's going on inside of here. Oh, well that's good. It has a little cap. So you gotta pop the cap. Find somewhere I could sit this at. Put that back on. Actually, throw that away. Out of my way. So I don't get glue everywhere. So like I said, you wanna hold on, y'all. I needed the flat thing. While I was grabbing this flat lid, the ball dropped. Alright. The glue on the bag. Right where that last button is. A little dot. And then just press it on there. And hold it a little bit. For a few seconds. I'm just using the tip of this napkin to spread it around and clean up any excess if it's like too much. You just press it on there for a couple of seconds. And there's the teddy bear tail. Alright, isn't that cute? Alright, so today we went over these cute little hearts that you can make out of dollies. And you could also hole punch that and tie string through it and hang it, okay? We did the popper, alright? The Valentine's Day candy popper. That came out so nice. This was my first time making this. All of this. This is my first time making all of this. And I'm so happy. So I hope you all try my crafts. I have one more craft I'm going to do, but that'll be a video on its own. Alright, you all. Yeah, it's gonna be a heart, like an arc. Okay, so I'll make that a separate video. Alright, you all have a blessed day, and I'll have that uploaded later on today. Alright, no later than the first thing in the morning. I'm trying to get everything uploaded on today. That's the goal. So hopefully you all will try out my crafts for the holiday, and let me know if you want to see other crafts, and hit my comment section if you have any, great comments or other tips for me as well. All right, I'm going. Y'all have a blessed day.